Alright you guys, today I'm going to be showing you a Windows Server 2012 box, but this is pretty much, you can do the same thing on a Server 2016, 2019, even Server 2008, where you might get this pop-up that says restarted in 14 minutes, and you're like freaking out because you probably remoted into it, and all of a sudden you get this pop-up saying it's rebooting in 15 minutes, and of course it's probably going to happen during the business hours, so you want to make sure this stops. So to quickly dive in to fix this, what you need to do quickly is open up services, and you need to go down to Windows Update, and you need to stop this service. And then you also need to make sure you disable it so it doesn't come back up. But obviously once you do a reboot after hours, you need to re-enable that and set it back to manual. But this is just to stop it from rebooting, because actually Windows is not rebooting, it's the Windows Update service that's going to cause that reboot. And just to confirm, you want to go into Task Manager and make sure Windows is Update service is also not running. So sometimes you have to turn off here if it's not stopping for some reason, to quickly save you from having your server reboot during production hours. Now to prevent this going forward, what you need to do is go to Run, and we need to open up gpedit.msc, and we're going to add our local group policy. Now if you have a domain group policy enabled, you might need to look at your domain group policies, but if you don't have any of this set up, then this should just be fine. And what we need to go to is local group policy, navigate to computer configuration, and then go to administrative template, and then we need to go to Windows components, and we're looking for Windows Update. And you need to configure two things in here. You need to find configure automatic updates and set that to 3 and hit OK. So basically it's going to automatically download and notify for install. Usually the default is auto download and scheduled install. So let's just set it to either 2 or 3. So I'm going to actually change mine to notify for download and notify for install. And then hit OK. And then no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic update installation. This one is very important. It won't reboot if there is a user currently logged in. So go ahead and click on that enable, hit OK. Now you will need to reboot the server for this to take effect, but at least going forward this won't happen to you again. And like I said, I'm going to switch this back to manual and then start that service back up, since I'm not getting that message anymore since it rebooted on me. I just figured I'd make this quick video to show you guys how easy it is to stop it from rebooting. You just stop that Windows Update service, you can just kill it and it'll stop that countdown.